Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to our home. Father's Day. I don't know when this will be put on, but happy Father's Day. We're going to do a little grilling. Typical, right? Well, but here's something I haven't tried before. Hold on a second. Let me get you turned around here. Have you ever done this? Have you ever grilled a cantaloupe or a melon? Well, we're going to give it a try. We're going to lay these on the grill. I took some coconut oil and put on the grill. I'm not sure what that's called. Got a little thing that we're cooking on right now, so we're going to let these cook on each side for about 5 minutes because we want our grill marks. And when we finish with that, then we're going to come back and show you how to finish up the cantaloupe. Now you can use Happy Father's Day. You can use any kind of melon you want. This is cantaloupe, but they have, what all do they have? They got numerous kinds of melon.
Cantaloupe, watermelon,
my dad always called it mushmelon. It's the green melon. What is that?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Mushmelon, that's what it is.
We can remember it. We'll put it in the description below. We'll be back in just a few minutes, okay? You know what? Let's just go ahead and give this a little peek and see what it's doing. Yeah, see that? That's all we need. And the thing of it is, I did not soak my skewers. And now you can slice this and just use it as slices. I already had mine in chunks, so we're just going with what we've got. Cantaloupe is cantaloupe, right? So we're just gonna get some grill marks on the other side. I might flip this back over. See how that one's a little warped? I'll hold it. I think that'll be fun. But this is just a little quick video here to show you guys this. Actually found it on Pinterest. I was looking for a recipe for pound cake. And I came across this. And I said, you know, I've got to give it a try. So, I'll be back with you all in just a few minutes. This is actually starting to do a little caramelization. Nice. Yeah, some of this is not getting any good grill marks on it. So, but it's okay. Look at there. That one's trying to get away. This is a first for us. Look at that. Just pitch that over there. I know this is taking a minute, but yeah, lime juice, fresh lime juice on it. Now you probably can't see that, but fresh lime juice. A little bit of honey on it, and there you go. Just get the rest of our lime juice on. You have to work a little quick with it once you get started. My honey warmed up and made a little bit of a mess with it, but it's okay. That was already clean, so you can have it if you want it. Alright, and that's it. That is that. I'm just using the lime to remove some of the char that's on there from that. And then I'm just gonna squeeze it, warmed it up, squeeze it, put it back on there, like that. And there we go. And Tom's gonna go ahead and give it a try. Okay. Ooh.
Ooh. Yes.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
Bravo. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, thumb sucking. A thumbs up.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that, you guys. Delicious. Definitely delicious. Okay. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you will. Click the notification bell so that you will know every time I put new content on. Now, this is a quick video. Something new we wanted to try. We were going to grill today anyway, so just something new that we wanted to try. Cantaloupe, a lemon, about 2 tablespoons of honey. Yeah. Or you could always take some brown swerve and sprinkle it on it instead of using the honey. I think that would taste amazing as well because it's going to give that mapley flavor to it. I think that would taste so good. Okay, you all take care. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye.